Imagine you're starting a channel, and you're torn between chasing views or focusing on a specific audience. Many creators obsess over flashy thumbnails and clickbait titles, thinking that viral fame equates to financial success. But here's the catch: attract the wrong crowd, and your revenue could plummet, despite sky-high view counts. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. The income examples shared are not guarantees of results. Your success on YouTube depends on your niche, strategy, consistency, and execution. Always do your own research before making financial or business decisions. It's not enough to entertain, you must engage with potential customers who value your expertise. By honing in on a niche, you not only gather loyal viewers but also enhance your earning potential. Instead of targeting a million passers-by, you're building lasting relationships that can translate into sales, coaching sessions, and other ventures. Find your niche and cater to that dedicated audience. This will lead to real income opportunities, allowing for sustainable growth in your channel's potential. Instead of merely going viral, think strategically about your content. Assess what problems your target audience faces and how your expertise can provide solutions. When viewers feel a connection and discover value, they're more likely to engage with your offerings. This leads to a stronger community and increased trust, making them more likely to purchase your products or sign up for your services. Remember, creating valuable content tailored to your audience's needs is the key to unlocking financial success on YouTube. In the end, it's about creating meaningful interactions that convert views into revenue, transforming passion into profitability. The journey doesn't end here. As you build your channel, keep refining your understanding of audience needs and preferences. Consistency in your messaging and value propositions will foster deeper connections, leading to a thriving community that supports your goals. Be mindful of what sets the small channels apart. They prioritize quality over quantity in their views, aligning their content with the needs of high-paying audiences. By mastering the art of audience targeting and engagement, you can unlock the true potential of your YouTube channel, transforming it from just another space for random views to a hub of real financial opportunities. Embrace the right strategies and watch your effort pay off. If you want to build a YouTube channel that actually makes money, not just views, then you need to understand the traps most creators fall into. Subscribe to Money Traps. We break down the hidden mistakes keeping creators broke and show you how to turn content into real income.